Listen. I gave you that piece of cow skeleton to guard for me and protect, not to chew up. Can you just stop for a minute, please? Can you stop and listen to what I'm saying to you? Your job is not to eat that, it's to protect it from being eaten. Okay? Do you feel bad now? Do you feel guilty? Maybe I'll just take this away from you because you're not doing your job. I'm just going to... I think we're having some kind of a miscommunication here. I said I'm going to take this thing with my fingers not sticking out like that. I'm going to take this thing. What? It seems that what we've got here is a failure to communicate. Some dogs you just can't reach. Well, if that's the way she wants it, she gets it. That plan didn't play out so well. I could do some work now, or I could go with plan B. Now all I have to do is invent plan B. Or we could go with plan C. We just let you have the dog treat. Okay, fine, whatever.